Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix C drive full and showing red bar problem in Windows 11, 10. First method is type size gigantic in search bar. Delete unwanted files. Second method is type disk cleanup in Windows search bar, click disk cleanup. Delete all unwanted files. Third method is type control panel in Windows search bar, click control panel. Click programs and features. Uninstall unwanted or not used application one by one. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.